Hi, welcome to another edition of Ask Profile Builder. In this session I'll be showing you how to take a YouTube video and embed it into one of your blogs. So here we are on my own profile, and I'm just going to navigate down to the blog section and show you how the end result looks before we show you how to do it. So I'll click on this latest blog and navigate down, so you can see there's some text and a graphic there. There's also a little video that runs straight from within the blog itself. So the little icon down the bottom says YouTube. Well, that means that we've pulled the video in from YouTube. So here's how it's done. I'm just going to navigate to the Profile Builder YouTube channel. So this is where we store a lot of our video work. I'm just going to navigate to My Videos, top right. So if you've got a YouTube channel, you go through the process of uploading your video to YouTube. What that then gives you is a little thumbnail of all of your videos. Now I'm going to click on this one. This is the one that I want to show you how to get into that blog. So you click on it, and what you'll see is underneath a couple of options, and the one we're after is called Embed. So we click that. Now as you'll see, it creates highlights a bit of code. Now scrolling down a little bit further, it also gives you some options as to how big to make that image in wherever you're going to put that video. So for Profile Builder clients, you can actually customize the width, and we found a width of about 480 pixels wide is an optimal size. Now just as an aside, you see these little check buttons? Make sure that the top one isn't checked. It's called Include Related Videos. If you put a tick against that, it will just pull a load of strange videos that are unrelated to your video, so make sure that's unclicked. So now that you've changed the measurement, look at the code, and magically it's changed that measure where it says width. Brilliant. So we want to copy that. Now we're going to go to the Engine Room CRM system. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm logged in as myself, and I'm going to go to blog post. So let's create a blog. So as we always recommend, it's best to create the blog in an application called Notepad. So again, here's one I've prepared earlier. I'm just going to paste that code there for the moment out of the way. So let's copy the information out of Notepad, go back into the blog and paste that. There we go. Now let's assume that we want the video to fall after that first column. Click the cursor there. Now what we need to do is click to toggle HTML view, and that's that little button top of the row, 2 arrows. Click that, and what we're looking for is that section of the information after that first bit of text. Now you'll see that what you're looking for is that little BR symbol there. So BR denotes a space. So what we're going to do is go get the code from YouTube, iframe title, blah blah blah. Copy that. Now we're going to paste that after that copy and after that first BR symbol there. So put the cursor, paste. Now you need to make sure that you go back to that toggle button, because that's going to show us where in the layout that video will fall. So you can see roughly, yeah, that's great. A little bit close to the text, so what we'll do, just put the cursor at the end of the column and just put a space. A bit more air, that's good. Now we could go into lots of detail about this. That's not the reason for this exercise. So all I'm going to do is assume that that's all fine, just to show you the video in place. Now as soon as we click add it, that information is sucked into the database and it will give us a view of that blog before it actually gets published. Lo and behold, you can see, click it just to make sure it works. There's the video working fine. So as long as you're happy with that, that then becomes live on your profile.